How to make multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account. Firstly, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. In youtube.com, make sure that you have opened the channel with your own Gmail account. Now at the top right corner, you will see a profile picture. Click on the profile picture. In this menu, you will see various options like these. Select the option Switch Account. Now here you will see all the accounts. Click on View All Channels to open a new section. Under All Channels, you will see the first option as Create a Channel. Click on Create a Channel and this kind of interface will open. On the name section, write a name of your YouTube channel and YouTube will automatically give you a YouTube handle. Now you can click on Create Channel just like this to create your channel, or you can go one step further to add your profile picture. To add your profile picture, click on Select Picture and select picture from your PC. Once you have also done that, click on Create Channel and your new channel will be created just like that. That's all for today. Thank you.